Hello, hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am Jack with My Girl Budgeting, and on today we are going to be playing catch up. It's going to be a lot of catch up that I'm going to be doing on this video. Basically, it's things that I've not been keeping up with, so I need to get up to date on all of them, fulfill some of those savings, those milestone savings for sure, on as well as close out my August savings, give you guys a running total of what I saved for the month of August. We're gonna do the hop because I believe 3 videos behind, which I watched them and cut, and I did watch them, I just have not been putting the money in the envelopes. So I do have that total, and so I will be doing that today. We're going to be doing my YouTube milestones tracker. So I've been, since I started my journey with YouTube, I went ahead and started tracking my YouTube tracker until I hit those milestones, and we get to do quite a bit today, so I'm looking forward to doing that. We're going to do my Etsy sales, and I believe that may be it. I don't know, maybe there might be something else that I need to do. So it is Etsy. It's, oh, I don't need to be yawning already. What am I? So it's YouTube, Etsy. Oh, my no spend for sure. My no spend. And I might do Christmas. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll play by ear. But yeah, guys, I have to fulfill some of these envelopes, and I've not done that. So let's see. Do I have what I'm behind? No. Okay, so I will get I believe it's $18 that I need to put in here. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with August savings, so that I can close out that month and give you a running total of what I saved for the month of August. Let's go ahead and jump in here. So for the month of August, I did not, I'm trying to think if I completed everything. I hope I got everything. Let's see. I may have to do some calculations here. Oh, no. Sorry, guys. Did not hit that plus. What was that last penny savings that I had? 1846. Did I not do a penny savings last week? I guess no, I didn't do penny savings last week, didn't I? I thought I did. I'll have to go back because I don't know that I did one. Okay. Trying to think of where I may have, let's see, 10 birthday, plus the $10. Oh no, guys, I don't know if I added it right. All right, so on here we'll just start with what I have right here. Then I'm like, so where I ended on this for the first 2 weeks of my savings was $436 plus 99 cents. And then on top we have $88.46, giving me a total of $525.45. I did not keep good track of my savings for August, so I don't know. I may be off somewhere. So let's go ahead. $525.45 in savings. We did. What did we do? Okay, so we did $436.99, $436.99, and then the second half was $88.46, $88.46, for that total of $525.45. So that's what I'm gonna stick with. I may have not wrote all of my August down, so I may be off somewhere, but that's okay. It is all right. For penny savings yesterday, we did $235, wasn't it? No, $236. That is all I brought to the table. That is okay. But I do need to get me a new weekly tracker. Where is my weekly tracker? I don't have any available. Okay, so I'll have to print out a new one, but at least I'm writing it down for the month because that way I don't throw myself off. So yeah, guys, we did $536 for August savings, which I mean it's $536, $525 and 45 cents. That is what I did for August. I mean, it's starting to go back down as it should. I mean, usually at the beginning of the year is usually whenever I can do a lot more. But yeah, so let's see what we can do for the remainder of our savings. Okay, so up next is, let's go ahead and jump into the hop just so I can get this one squared away. So these are the numbers where we last left off. Donna Powered by Creativity did hit this milestone of $75, so we get to fulfill that. Let me pull out that last 75 that we have before we roll into 100s. Let me find it. And here comes the interrupting cat, aka Nova. Yeah, she's here. Okay, so here's our last 75. Of course. So let's get right into it. Let me get my, is it $18, I believe? So 5, 10, 15, 20, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the $1 that we'll do on the ding ding ding. So, and I'll exchange these 5s. So we should have a total of $87 for give. So I am behind on that. I will go ahead and put the amount. She would get on my pen. Okay, so we're gonna put Donna did $2. So that was on 9/3, $2 of a total of 87. So I would need to get what those, and I'll have to shift it down. So let's see. I will play catch up. So we have 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. So I'll be adding $4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's change that 5 real quick. Oh gosh, why do these ones always throw me off whenever they're like that? Okay. So 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, and 87. And I'm going to go ahead and pull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully, guys, I don't confuse you. I'm just going to pull another 5. So 75, 85, and $87. Forgive generously. Okay, Holiday was the last one that received that 75. So I do actually on my sinking funds, I do pull the 75 or the $25. Once I hit once all 6 hit $25, I pull it, and it will be applied either to sinking funds or whatever I feel like want to apply it to, which I haven't decided if I want to put it toward my sinking funds or I might put it toward just paying debt so I can get my debt down more faster. But we are going to pull that money out, so let's see where we're at. So we have 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is our 75. Okay, so this should be 25 here plus the 50, 75. So now we'll exchange that. Gonna go ahead and exchange those 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I only need 10. So let me do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll put these 5s. No. Keep this 5. These are the 10s. Okay. And that goes here. So that goes in there. This will go into this lovely savings along with the 50. And this has all the rest, the remainder of those 25, all 6 of them. So that money will go into my sinking funds. I will go ahead and pull $1 that goes into the ding 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 for that milestone. We hit it on 9, 2, or 3. $1 and ooh. Nope. This is the wrong one. This is actually for my other completed savings. Not this one. I was like, wait, we don't have that many completed. I would have like 40 something. These are for my actual savings that I completed. That is in this binder. So we'll put that 75 here. Put it into Holiday. now we get to go over here and put it into this ding ding ding. I don't know what I was thinking. So 9, 3, 1, 18. So 10, 15, 16, 17, and alright, what did I do with that one? I left it in here. Did I leave it in here? Oh god, did I grab it? I don't know. We'll figure it out. If I end up with 0 at the end of this, then that means that $1 is somewhere in here. Okay. Okay, so holiday 75. Now debt should have 91. The last I tracked for my debt was at 89, so we're adding $2 to this. I will be doing the hop this month as well. I'm at the end of the month, so be on the lookout for that, along with all the other lovely channels that will be doing the hop. So we have 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. I need to start the new tracker. So 91, we are good, almost to 100 on this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 90. I think we did $1 here, so 90 here, 91. 1193 for Donna. And I'll need to go I would just want to keep the track of who got what on each amount, so that's why I'm doing that. Okay, self-care should have 84. So we are adding $3 to this one. 2 and 3. So we have 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So let's gonna start a new one. So 9, $1, 84, 93 for Donna. Okay. Alright, emergency should have 80 in here. So let's see, we are at 76. So that means $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $80 is what we should have. I'll have to look at that because I don't remember. I'm adding 4. So 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 80 for emergency. Okay. Oh, poop is getting one. Well, should have 93. Donna had $1 toward it, so whoever had that other dollar, I will check on that. 93. We are 7 away from. Okay, so that should have $1, and I have $1 left. Okay, so we're good. So we have 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. Okay. Oh no, I was supposed to add 2. So I did stuff that $2 in there somewhere. Okay, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Yes, and we are caught up. We are caught up to Donna, who did it on Tuesday. So that is done. Now we are done with that part. I will catch those trackers up to see where they who got what. So I wrote it down on my other one, but I just got the total of where our envelopes were. All right, we're gonna jump into the milestone next. Milestone, lovely, lovely milestone. So we are going into our lovely Etsy sales first. So Etsy sales got so Etsy sales, we are adding $5 for Etsy. Let me jump back into my laptop. Okay, so the last 5 sales we have laptop is going slow. Okay, so oh my gosh, we had a lot of orders last week, so let me see. So we have okay, so we have the last, it's 5. Did I say 5? So we have Illinois. Let me go ahead and use my Illinois got 1. Let me bring out my cash. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. But we are only putting $4, sorry. I don't know what I was thinking. $4 in savings. I mean in Etsy sales. So the last 4 would be Illinois. Where is got 1 sale, so that's $1. Then we got another Texas, $2. We have MI, which is what, Michigan? I'm bad about these. So MI, where is MI? I don't think no, it's a new color. Awesome, I get to color a new one. So let's go with yellow for Michigan. One, and then the last one, no, that was 2. I already got Texas, I got Illinois, okay, I got Michigan. So the last one, $4, is another Pennsylvania, guys. So we're gonna put another PA. That is awesome. A little dot that I put there. So I got 5, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out 1 from the Etsy sales here, and now I should have a total of $93. We will see, we will make sure. And I'm going to continue to do this until I fill up that map. So once I get all these colored in, that's when I will probably stop. I don't know. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Did I do? Was it 5? 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Was it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I think I missed a 1. Yeah, it was, sorry. It was 94. Okay. I just didn't have it right. I didn't calculate it right on my own. So we are at 9, 4. We added 4 and 94. We were at 90. That's right. Okay. Okay. So now this can be go back into its stash. I need to probably I definitely need to condense this. Let me see if I can condense it. Because I mean, I'm gonna continue to use it, so might as well condense, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and condense it for these 40s. Make sure they're not star notes. So I'm gonna keep those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So 1, 2, 3. So that would be 30. 20, 30. 35, 40, and then I'll put this, yeah. All right, so that is condensed now. Get rid of some of those ones. Put this to the side, and now we're good. Not so bulky in here, and I need to put some more tape into this. Let me see if I have any. I don't. Well, we're gonna try to glue it. So that is done. Let's go ahead and jump into, I'm gonna have to come back to my nose spin because I did not total it out, and I need to finish for the past. What is it? Where are we at on nose spin? You know what? I'm not even tracking these. So I put 4 and 18. Let me write this down. 4 for Etsy, 18 for the hop. That's all I've done so far, right? I think so. Okay. It's amazing to me how fast you can forget about these. So yeah, I need to catch up on 24. The remainder of this, I don't know. I know I spent, I just don't know what I spent, what days I spent. So I will come back to this I don't know, maybe in this video, maybe I'll stop it and then go back. But let's go ahead and jump into YouTube Milestone. So for YouTube, yes guys, we did it. You guys did it. You guys helped me. You guys helped me accomplish my goal. After a year of being on YouTube, I hit a milestone, and that milestone is so this is a tracker. Each YouTube is worth 100 watch hours. So each of these YouTube logos is worth $100 or 100 watch hours, and then each of these subscription tags are $5 for every 50. So for every 50 subscribers I got, I put $5. For every 100 hours I got, I put $10. So we are currently at 1,000. So I did, again, thank you. I hit that milestone of 1,000 subs. So that is a big accomplishment. I am almost done with the watch hours, so I will give you guys so that is $5 and $10 right here so far. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull 5 and 10 for the subscriber count. So that is done. We did that on 8/31. 1K, and I will give you guys a count here in shortly. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 120. So we have 3,300 watch hours. So I am almost there. I'm only a little bit less than 700 away from getting the 4,000 watch hours. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So that's 3,031. So that's 10. $32. And 33, because we are over the 33 watch hours. So that means I put $30, 10, 20, $30 into that. So we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700 hours left of watch time until I complete this savings, guys. Yes. Yes. So now let's give it a count. These are all 5s, yeah. I may do a condensing here, so we have 100, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 4, 95. Okay guys, 150, 100. So that's 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, $430, guys. 430. We are at 430. That 70 away will give me $500. What? Oh my gosh, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with the 500. I mean, I plan to put it towards something. That's crazy. I think this is gonna be the biggest challenge I've saved so far. Like, that's a savings. Yes, guys. So that is it for that. And I believe we are done. We've caught up on my milestones. You know what? Let me come back. to you guys and do that Etsy, no, my no spin to catch you up. So I will be right back to get you on count for that. Okay, I'm back, guys. So I did write my little numbers here. Oh no. Crap. What did I do? Let me put this away. Ew, no. Hold on, guys. I have no idea what I did with my stickers. My no spin stickers. Or my stickers. What are they? Oh no. Oh, this one? Okay. So we did 30, so 10, 20, 30, $40 for YouTube. Okay, and then we did, okay, so now we're doing my no spend. I do have some stickers here for spend. I'll have to find my no spend ones. So I spent here. 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 And spent here. So 3 of these little stickers are no spend. So the total I should have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. I've saved, so let's pull $15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 on no spend. Okay. So let's count it out, and then I'll update for September, which is the 4th, right? But I mean, this is pre-recorded, so you guys are seeing it on a different day, but it is the 4th. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. $128 is what I've not spent for the year so far on those days. So I hope to do better in September. I will get those stickers, but let's go ahead and update September. So we are on the 4th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So I did spend on today. I did spend. Yesterday I did not spend. Did not spend on Tuesday, nor on no. So yeah, 3 no spend so far. That is awesome, guys. Yeah, so in total, so let's close these out so that I can give myself a total for today's video, which should be uploaded on this coming Friday. Sorry for reaching, guys, but let's see. So tomorrow is today. I did my cash stuff sinking funds, so that does not count as a save, but Thursdays roll the dice. And then Friday, this is when should go up on Friday. So Milestone, and what else did we do? Milestone and the hop. And we'll be doing another hop on Thursday, guys. But so that is calculator here's right here. So we have $4 plus 18 plus 40 plus 15 is $77 what we saved today, which is good. I'm getting up there, back up there. Okay, that is good. All right, guys, that is it. Be on the lookout for part 2 of my cash stuffing video. No, I'm probably no. I should be uploading it here today, later on this evening, for my second part of my cash stuffing sinking funds, so that I don't have to span it out so far. So yeah, that's what I'll do. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Saturday, what is the plan for Saturday? I have no idea. I'm probably gonna do a garage sale. I should have some Etsy orders going out as well come Friday, so I will have those ready. But anyways, guys, let's use the hashtag milestone for today's video, guys, and lets me know that you watched up to this point. I always appreciate you guys watching all the way up to this point. Much love to you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.